While on the Dalton Highway, we noticed that one of Chris's fork seals was leaking really bad, but luckily there is a great shop in Anchorage, Alaska that might even be familiar to you. But that I'll get into later in the video.
The expert team of mechanics at the motorcycle shop are well versed in the intricacies of Alaskan riding, offering top-notch service from routine maintenance to comprehensive repairs.
Most of us are going to be riding up here exclusively in the summer months.
So if you think you might need new tires, oil change, or any other kind of maintenance, definitely make an appointment as early as possible because they book out fast. They are a dealer of a variety of high-end brands like BMW, Ducati, Triumphs, plus many, many more.
Between the lack of other shops and the remoteness that is Alaska, they won't be the cheapest dealer you'll work with, but that being said, they got us in quickly and were really great to work with.
One standout feature that I appreciated was the cozy little cabin for people to hang out in while their bike is being worked on. It's got a coffee maker, some small snacks, couches, recliners, and even Wi-Fi. And on the showroom floor, there are of course tons of new bikes from basically all the brands, but they have some special vintage bikes and memorabilia. But one of the coolest things to see was the famous wheel.
Now, have you figured out how you know this place yet? Yep, it is the shop
that Ewan and Charlie got their BMWs repaired at after flying in from Magadan in the Long Way Round series. Their positive experience mirrors our own, affirming the motorcycle shop's reputation as a reliable and trustworthy haven for riders tackling the challenges of the Alaskan frontier.
And check out this video if you're considering riding the Dalton Highway.